Hi everyone, I'll be talking about my new bag, which in my opinion is simply stunning, and it's all thanks to the bubble stitch. I've always loved this pattern and I've already used it to create a child's backpack and a string bag on my channel. And I'm sure there are many more fabulous items that can be made using this stitch. Now about the bag, I fell in love with it at first sight. It's just charming and unusual. Moreover, it turned out very beautiful and textured. I'm completely satisfied with the result because the bag is lightweight but at the same time very durable. I am certain that this bag would be versatile enough to complement a variety of outfits in your everyday wardrobe. To make this bag, I used a 3mm diameter cotton cord in the color of warm milk. I took 3 skeins of 100 meters each, but the remaining skein indicates that I needed about 230 meters of cord. The cord is very soft and lightweight, so the bag turned out not only lightweight, but also too soft. If you want the bag to hold its shape, I recommend choosing a suitable cord, but no more than 3mm in diameter. In addition to the cord, I needed hardware. Half rings, locks. I used 2 magnetic buttons and a back strap, which can also be crocheted from the same cord. And inside the bag there is a lining, which I talk about in a separate video. So you'll also need fabric for the lining. And about the parameters of this beautiful bag. Its width is 34 centimeters, height 19 centimeters, and the sides 5 centimeters. So, dear friends, I have made 2 exciting videos for you so that you can learn how to crochet this bag with your own hands. In the first video, I'll show you how to crochet the bag, and in the second, I'll show you how to sew the lining. Now we'll have an opportunity not only to create a functional accessory, but also to show your creative nature. I am confident that this bag will become an integral part of your image and you'll be proud of your craftsmanship. So don't miss the opportunity to make this beautiful thing with your own hands and inspire others with your unique style. I wish you a pleasant viewing of the video and success in your creativity. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, so feel free to leave your feedback or suggestions. Once again, thank you for your time and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.